It's giving van life.
Guys, this is my last couple days in my LA apartment. This is gonna be so sad. Literally, I have to move out of here in like 3 days and I have not started packing nothing. And I gotta move this bed and the mattress. Good thing is I really don't have that many clothes, and honestly I'm about to donate all of them because I just don't wear any of them. I told you guys before, I've mentioned it in previous videos, that I was moving. I guess I didn't really say the full extent of that. Oh my god, wait, I look so busted right now. I'm still staying in LA, kind of. I'm actually gonna be traveling all of September, but I'm staying in LA, at least apartment-wise. So right now I live with my brother and my sister in the beautiful land of Shamnocks. I'm actually really sad to be leaving this apartment because I love this apartment, but also at the same time, like, that's to go. Listen, life's gonna life, and sometimes you gotta move on to bigger and better things. So one of my besties just bought a house in South Central, and my sister and my brother, they don't really want to live in LA anymore, so they're moving out of the city. I am about to start packing. Honestly, I don't know what is gonna happen. The plan is to move like clothes and stuff over to her place today, and then what's today? It's Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday move clothes and stuff. Wednesday maybe move more clothes and stuff, and then Thursday I'm gonna move like my bed and all my other stuff, and hope that somehow in 3 days it just goes by quicker than I'm envisioning. Because right now, honestly, it sounds like a lot. I don't really want to move anything, but you know what? Listen, sometimes, guys, life makes a decision for you. I don't even know if that's relevant here because I definitely made a decision, but we move. I'm gonna be honest, this is basically my whole wardrobe. I feel like I'm not gonna take half this stuff because I have only worn any of this stuff once, and I don't even know if I've worn half the stuff, but I'm gonna see what I can sort first. Some of this stuff is so crusty, I don't even want to do a try on haul for you guys because I'm embarrassed, not gonna lie. All right, before I show you these crusty clothes options that I got, just remember that, just keep in mind, listen, I am a minimalist, basically. I am crusty, I like to travel, and I like to move. So the options that I have are definitely giving dusty option. Ooh, this jacket right here, I'm not taking this jacket with me nowhere. I had this jacket in New York. It didn't really even do nothing. It doesn't look that bad on the camera, I don't think, but it's giving booty flag. It's gonna go in the donate pile. I need to stop using this British accent because I feel like I use it for everything now. And you guys know I'm a tour guide. Sometimes I'll be giving tours, and if I pick up a British family, they say hello. I'm like, hello, Rob, what you saying? And it just goes downhill after that. This is from Misguided. I don't know what I was on whenever I ordered all these jackets. Oh, I was in New York, that's why. But I didn't even stay in New York for the winter, so why do I got jackets? Should I keep it? But like, I'm never gonna wear it. I don't know. This is gonna go in a we'll decide later pile. Oh my god, let me show you this fit I got. Listen, I'm keeping this for real. I don't care what I do with it. I don't care if I don't do nothing with it. This is the Snowmobile 5000. I've only worn this once, and I don't know if I'll wear it again. I wore this because it's a snowsuit. Look at it. It's meant for the mountains of snow. And if I'm not living in the snow or going skiing, it's probably very pointless to have. Oh my god, there's something in my pocket. What could it be? Stop. This thing came strapped and ready for the winter. Maybe I'll go on a ski trip. It's actually so funny that I have this because I've actually never gone skiing or snowboarding. I just got it because it was cold, but I wasn't really in the mountains like that. I got this jacket. Here's the issue with me and workout clothes. I keep them because in my head, I'm like, you know what? When I go, this time I'm gonna really wear it. This time, like, I'm gonna work out. This is gonna be the time that I shine. I take it with me and I never wear it. Maybe I'll actually wear it. Maybe I'll actually work out. This will actually be good because, you know, when I'm running through the streets of South Central, I'm gonna need me a reflector jacket so they can see me coming. This is a dress that I own. Why do I own a dress when I wear sweatpants every day? Great question, Taylor. Let's ask yourself. I don't know. It don't even fit me anymore. I had this when I was thick. When I was a little slim thickums. Alright, well, I'm gonna be honest, I'm getting tired of this. Alright, let's pick up one more thing and see what else I can do with it. Oh my god, you know what my favorite freaking jacket ever is? This is probably my favorite thing ever because it keeps me so cozy. I literally wear this everywhere. This has been all over the world with me. And as I'm saying this, I'm like, I probably need a new one because it's dusty, but you know what? We're not gonna do that. We're just gonna keep it. Alright, it's hot. I'm tired of talking. Let's just speed this up really quick. I'm gonna miss you, my boy. I'm gonna miss you the mostest. You was a real one from the day one. We gonna cry, but I love you for life. This is where we're at. I threw a whole bunch of stuff in there, and I'm gonna take these 2 suitcases over. Basically, all my clothes fit in 2 suitcases. So I basically packed 2 suitcases and like 3 bins, but in my bins, look at it. It's literally just holiday decorations. Who knows, maybe we'll want to decorate for the holidays, but literally I have been stuck in traffic for the longest time. I met this lady yesterday. Oh my god, this story was so sad. Really, like, what got me thinking about this is life is just so good these days, and I'm on a 10 right now. I mean, I've been going through phases the past couple months where I go from a 0 to a 10, but today feels like a really good day and I feel really excited and happy for life. And yesterday I was talking to this lady who was probably in her 60s, I think, and she was saying how she's traveled the world, she's done all these things. And I asked her what's something you would recommend for me to do at my young age of 26, and she said just live your life, like travel when you can, do everything you can, say yes to everything, because one of her close friends, she is also in her 60s now as well, and she spent her whole life basically preparing to get older so that she can do all the things that she enjoys. And now that she's older, she actually has a really severe cancer and she can't really do anything now, and it sucks because she saved her whole life and did all these things the way that you're supposed to do them so that when she got older she could do them. I don't know where I was going with this, honestly. I just started talking. I wanted to tell you guys that story because I thought it really hit me. You know what I mean? Like, it really hit here. And I wanted to share that because I don't want any of you to spend your lives doing things that make you unhappy. Because so many unexpected things can come up in your lifetime. Listen, I don't know what I was doing in my past lives. I don't know where I was at, how I was living, what I was loving. But I just know in this life, I'm very set on saying that everyone should just be themselves and do what makes them happy, because you can just snap and then it'd be over. You know what I'm saying? So, like, live, laugh, love. This is where we're at, y'all. I lifted my bed up. I was gonna take this bed frame apart, but then I started looking at it. It just looked like way too much work. So I'm gonna hope that it'll fit in this U-Haul just like this. And that way when I get there, I don't have to do anything. So that's the plan for that. My friends Tristan and David are gonna come help me move right now, because ain't no way I'm carrying that down the stairs by myself. Look at these big, strong men.
Okay. Bruh.
Oh. Where? If you guys want some...
Don't you dare.
No, I was gonna say, if you guys want some big, strong men, look at that booty. Yeah.
Let's go. A whole bunch of more. Right.
They big and strong, but the plastic coming off, so it's okay.
Yeah, I was gonna say the plastic coming on. Not coming? The whole lot of it. Slowly. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. What oil fucking machine? Don't fall, baby.
Yeah, look at them go. I love it here.
Alright.
Look at that sweat on the back of Tristan's back.
I know.
You glistening, boy. Shining.
Look at this.
Look at that arm sweat.
I know. While we were trying to find a singular. Sure, I got nothing else.
I think that's it. I just gotta double check.
Hello, vlog.
Me and Tristan are driving this U-Haul. Oh, I'm driving too. Okay.
Give me this.
Look at him. He tried to grab the camera and he turned it off. Be careful with the button.
Yeah, I'll be careful with the button. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, here's the camera. It's been a while, and
How long has it been?
I don't know how long has it been. Checking the history.
I don't know.
But I'm back, baby!
Yeah!
And I'm helping Taylor move.
Pew, 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 we going
And
up.
it's
oh
like,
my god, y'all remember when I drove a U-Haul in New York? Listen, y'all probably don't remember because I only had like 5 subscribers back then. But I was going up in the U-Haul then, and now we going up in the U-Haul in LA, and I'm basically
a world traveler.
I'm a
Country traveler.
bi-coastal U-Haul driver.
Bi-coastal U-Haul driver, and she is killing the game. Look at this.
Look at it. Yeah, we're up right now.
We're up right now. She finished buying me some nice food too.
Ready, set, hut. Go, 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 go. So I literally moved my bed to my new place, but I'm not sleeping in my new place yet because I just have too much stuff here, and it's like an hour away from where I live now, so it's annoying for me to have to go back and forth. Let me show you this like setup I have. So the only like kind of thing I have that was thick is this weighted blanket, but it literally is doing absolutely nothing. Like, I feel like I'm sleeping on bare floor. So I put this weighted blanket down, and I still have my sheet here, and I still have my pillows. So I'm laying on the floor. I've got barely anything in my closet. I have this dresser. I wasn't gonna take this because I was trying to steal my sister's dresser, but I took it to my closet in my new place and it didn't fit. It was too big, so I'm actually gonna take that one instead. Clothes over there, but I'm donating most of those clothes, and then I got some more clothes right here that I stole from my sister. I've also come to the conclusion that I am getting rid of things, and I'm becoming a full-blown minimalist because you guys know I wear the exact same clothes every single day. You know this. You've seen my outfits. You've seen my vlogs. I talk about this all the time. I wear the same outfit every single day. Clothes stress me out. Any type of fashion, something like that, I don't really have an eye for it, so anytime it comes, anytime it comes, what am I even saying? You know when you say something too many times, it doesn't even make sense anymore? So anytime it comes time to pick an outfit, Don't know if that makes sense, but we're just gonna run with it. I literally get so stressed out and then I just put the same thing on because I'm like, I can't do this. Yeah, moral of the story, I am just want to get rid of everything because I don't wear anything anyway. Plus I'm about to be traveling for all of September. It's like, girl, what are you doing? Like, why you got so much stuff? Just toss it. Just throw it in the trash. Got this laser pointer. I'm driving to the Salvation Army right now. Well, I just got here because my sister literally has so much clothes to donate and I literally have a million as well. So I really like filled up this entire car of clothes and shoes to donate because listen, we're about to be on our minimalist journey. This moving stuff, it's just way too much work. I'm trying to be my best travel vlogger, live my best travel vlogger life, and I can't do that if I got all this stuff. So, oh my God, it's coming real, guys. The move is becoming real. Literally. I just very quickly threw everything over there. It's actually so much faster than I thought. Everyone, say goodbye to Sherman Oaks. Lovely view out the window. No longer gonna have this lovely view out of the window. This is quite sad, if I do say so myself. Everyone, we've got to say goodbye to the love of my life, Sebastian. We're gonna have our final dance. My sister's car is the scariest one, but we're about to move all this stuff to storage, so we're literally just trying to see how much stuff we can fit in the car. Here comes my brother. He's got more pillows and stuff. Hey, Osai! Yeah! Look at that strong man! Get me off camera, fool. It's so funny because I'm over here documenting every single moment of my life so that I can remember it. And then anytime I try to record my brother and my sister, like, get me off the camera. Listen, I'm gonna have all the video memories and they're gonna look back and be like, oh my God, I forgot we did that. I'm be like, yeah, you wouldn't have even remembered unless I cut on the vlog. So guys, farewell to Sherman Oaks. And I'm really excited to live with my bestie. I think we're gonna have a good time. I think we're about to go up for real. Like, we're about to have the time of our lives. I'm over here sitting in the car. Okay, I gotta go. I need to help them pack. It's giving van life. Jordan, say hello.
Hello.
This is part of my moving vlog. You know, I've been making a moving vlog this whole time.
I didn't know that.
You got anything?
Have you been recording my room without my permission?
No, well, not the crust. I recorded it when it was clean. He's like, on my permission? We've finally got all of our stuff out of the apartment. Tell them what we're doing. Got any words of advice, wisdom?
I'm about to eat Jack in the Box.
Oh yeah. Jordan needed some energy, so we got her a sausage. What'd you get? A sausage croissant? I'll hold it. Ooh.
Yes.
We got her sausage croissant, and I'm gonna do all the heavy lifting because I got the most muscles today. Yeah. Oops. I have no desire to move ever again. You know how, guys, you know how much I've moved the past couple years? I've moved to New York, South Africa, London, LA, out of LA, back to LA. I am just pure minimalist at its finest stuff. I can move. Everything I have, I can fit in my car. If it can't fit in my car, then I really don't need it. I have no desire to move ever again. It's way too much work. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of carrying things. It's just a lot, guys. It's just a lot.
Yeah. I just hear the recording.
You heard the recording.
Yeah.
Rise and shine!
1 second.
Look at the toe. Look at the toes.
I stepped on some, my toes crusty.
He still does. Ew, another toe crack. Guys, I'm taking a brief intermission on my move because Tristan's spot was on the way. It's too far. Tristan, say something.
Hey.
Hey. You got something to say?
I ain't got nothing to say except live your dreams.
It's the toes in the frame for me. Oh. I'm supposed to be well, I moved, guys. It took us forever. We finally got our stuff out, and now my new place I'm staying at. I'm waiting for a washer and dryer. So instead, I'm at Tristan's washing my sheets, chilling. Something to say, Tristan?
Nothing but vibes over here.